Yeah, no, my question is if if capital gains goes close to 40%, what happens to your business?
Even before this, it already was it's booming. Over $2 billion,
He's like,
literally.
he's like, I just hired 20 reps.
It, yeah, so Biden, we've been tracking that for a while, and let's just see if he actually gets that passed. What you're referring to is going from 20 to basically 40% federal, right? Which is just kind of staggering to think about. And then also the potential of the elimination of the 1031 exchange if you make a certain amount, just about $1 million a year.
It's all looking right to you, man. It's all funneling right your
and
way
the
here.
stepped up basis, and even beyond. So I want to take you guys even back before this. We call this the perfect storm, okay? And according to the American Bankers Association, there's about 17 to 20 trillion dollars that's going to pass from one generation to the next in the next 20 years. And this is our parents, guys. These are the baby boomers, right, who are looking to retire from the toilets, trash, and liability. In fact, the same study found that there's about 77 million baby boomers in the U.S. alone, and every day about 10,000 are turning 65. And 50% of their net worth is tied into high-end primary homes, investment real estate, commercial real estate, and private equity businesses, right? And what are they faced with? They're faced with 30 to 50%, now potentially 50 to 70% in capital gains tax and depreciation recapture when they go to sell these assets. And they don't know how to get out of the toilets, trash liability, to diversify, get out of the debt without getting hammered by the tax. And so that's the big problem. So this has already been happening before this, before Biden came in and before the proposals. And we've been busy for over 25 years now. I learned about 11 years. I say we at my business partners. I'm just the trustee. I'm like the nurse. I take your pulse and I check you in for surgery to the tax attorneys who are brilliant in what they do. But collectively, we help to close the transaction. So it's already been happening. And yes, it throws fuel on the fire there, Jake.
You have just listened to another information-packed episode of Capital Gains Tax Solutions with Brett Swarts. We hope you enjoyed today's show and found it helpful. Visit capitalgainstaxsolutions.com to access the show notes and to access more resources. Don't forget to leave a review and join us again next time.